So how did I make $1,000 off one micro? I'm going to show you. So this is TopStep, 150K Express. These are funded accounts. I have 5 of them. As you can see, I'm copy trading across all 5. So here's the trade. One micro. You can see what I purchased it at. Entry price right here, 64.2775. Exit price. One micro, 64.6625. Right? Small risk trade. So, if we look at our last trade, 8/12/2025, which is today, market considers it yesterday. P&L 192.50. So 192.50. Remember, guys, this is times 5. So I'm risking extremely small. Yes, I make money doing this with TopStep. I took 20 grand out in June. This is all I do all day, every day. Same exact process. If you want to learn the process, go over to my blog. This is free, costs you nothing. I'll put the link down in the description. I know you're watching videos, you don't want to do the work, but if you want to learn how to become a profitable trader, you're going to have to do the work. So on my website, on the blog, I have my exact strategy set up, broken down, exactly what I'm looking for, step by step. It doesn't cost you a dime. If you want to get serious about trading, you need to get serious about your discipline. So head on over, take a look. If you have an interest of joining a Discord, I'll do 3 free days. I live stream the same trade every morning. I'm usually on around 9:15. You can use coupon code EDGE3. You can come in, watch the stream for free. If you don't like it, you can leave. It's not going to cost you anything, guys. I'm just here to try to pass along because it was very difficult for me to get to a point to where I am a consistently profitable trader, and I'm trying to share that with you. So thanks for watching. I'm going to keep this short. Catch you on the next one.